One, two, three, funk it.
My darling, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. I remember when it first started, September. Love was changing up my life, tender. While chasing the clouds away.
Wala pang tao. Kami pa lang sa rin. Ha? Ako na. Diba? Pindot. Ayun! Don't floor yung pinindot. Hello, sir. Ano ba?
Hindi tama! Ay, sabi second floor.
Yan, diba? Hi guys! Nasa SM kami. Hi! Hey guys! Wala! Wala! Yan mo, meron. First banding.
Kahit hindi pa kami sure kung makakapasa ba kami sa aming prelim.
Oo.
XOXO Gossip.
Happy birthday to me!
Happy birthday to who?
Hi guys! It's been a while. Ever since September started, I became so busy. So yun. 2 days ago was my 18th birthday. And ngayon pa lang namin isa-celebrate na may decorations. So ayun. Sinelebrate naman namin na mismo yung birthday ko, pero ngayon pala isa-celebrate na may pa-gayak. Gayak. So this is the current situation. Ayan. This was placed kagabi ng pinsan ko. And nagpapump ako ng balloon as of now. Napapump ko pa lang is 10 white balloons and 9 blue balloons. And madami pa siya. Actually, yan o. And yan pa lang yung napapump yun ng ano ko. Kasi maglalagay kami doon ng art. Maglalagay kami dito ng letter C. And then, i-extend namin yung curtain na ito. So, yan. And this is the table setup. Yan. Super ganda niyan kapag nailawan na and pag natapos na natapos na to, yung balloon arc. Super sakit na ng kamay ko kapapump kasi yung gamit ko is ganito. Ito, yan yung manual, hindi yung automatic na electronic device. So, ayun lang. Update ko kayo mamaya kapag tapos na yung design and nandito na yung bisitas. Guys, nagpaplano sila.
Okay, let's welcome our birthday celebrant, Princess Joy Anseto. Talino. Oh, kita pala ito talino. Tulad ang lolo. Kaya mo na kaya ko sa akin na lang. Ba't ka nakatago? Alam mo lolo paano kaya yun? Kaya tama rin eh. Nakakawa. Picture. Nakalimutan. Wala ako.
Oh, ba?
Madaming iyan eh. Ang ganda ng channel.